Have you ever tried to create an AI talking avatar only to end up with a different character every time? Or maybe your avatar looks stiff, robotic, and just off? You spend hours generating, animating, and lip syncing only for your audience to notice the inconsistencies. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it undermines your brand. But what if I told you there's a game-changing workflow that lets you create a perfectly consistent, natural-looking talking avatar from just one image? An avatar that maintains its identity, its style, and its essence across all your videos, no matter what you make. This exact process is how we were made. I'll have Anna walk you through the entire process.
And yeah, it works on human avatars as well.
Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through my exact step-by-step process to achieve this level of consistency using the latest and most efficient AI tools available in. We're talking about a workflow that's fast-paced, incredibly powerful, and designed to keep your audience glued to the screen. If you're ready to elevate your AI content and build a recognizable brand, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in.
And hey, if you find this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos.
All right, let's kick things off with the absolute foundation, creating your avatar. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've done this a million times, and you probably have. But here's where we lay the groundwork for consistency. This isn't just about generating an image, it's about generating the right image with future animation in mind. For me, I've always preferred a cartoon avatar over a human one for my channel. Why? Because cartoon characters often sidestep the uncanny valley effect that can plague realistic AI humans. They're also incredibly versatile for branding, and let's be honest, they're just plain fun. But whether you choose cartoon or human, the principles I'm about to share apply universally. We're heading over to Flow for this crucial first step. I'll leave links to all the tools I use in the description box below so you can follow along. In Flow, we're going to use Nano Banana Pro's powerful image generation capabilities to bring our avatar to life. Now, here's the secret sauce for consistency. Create a base prompt describing key facial features of your avatar. A prompt that you can reuse to generate a couple of extra photos in different poses, places, and angles. This ensures your avatar's core features and overall style remain identical. I typically aim for a neutral, forward-facing shot as my primary photo. Remember, a clean, consistent background in these initial generations can also save you a ton of editing time later on. Think about your avatar's personality. Is she serious, playful, informative? Infuse that into your initial prompt to guide Flow's generation. This isn't just an image, it's the birth of your consistent digital persona. Okay, we've got our perfect avatar. Now, let's make her talk. This is where the magic of animation comes in. If you're aiming to create a consistent character, especially for YouTube videos where she'll be delivering information, the animation needs to be subtle, natural, and most importantly, consistent. For this step, I'm absolutely loving Veo 3.1 Lite. It's their latest model and it's a game changer. Not only is it incredibly powerful, but it's also more affordable than ever, costing just 10 credits per generation. This is a massive win for creators like us. The goal here is simple. We want to animate our static avatar image so that she appears to be talking, but without any exaggerated movements that might break the illusion of consistency. Upload my chosen avatar image. I suggest adding the same exact image as your start frame and end frame. What this does is, it ensures that the same posture and facial expressions at the start of your video is exactly the same at the end of the video. This makes looping the video so seamless. Here's my pro tip. Keep the camera static and avoid overly dramatic facial expressions or hand gestures in your animation prompt. We want natural, subtle movements that enhance the speech, not distract from it. Think about a news anchor or a presenter. Their movements are usually contained and purposeful. My go-to prompt, which I've refined over countless videos, is this. She is talking with natural hand gestures and facial expressions and says, I'll then put exactly what I want my character to say in quotes. We're looking for those subtle head nods, the gentle hand movements, the slight shifts in expression that make an AI avatar feel truly alive without ever losing sight of her consistent look. This step is about breathing life into your character, preparing her for the final crucial stage of lip syncing. So we've got our beautifully animated clip where our avatar is moving naturally and consistently. Now it's time to lip sync. First, you'll need your audio. You have a couple of options here. You can either record your own voice, which adds a personal touch, or like me, you can leverage the power of AI to generate a voiceover, and that's exactly what we'll do for this video. I'll head over to 11 Labs, which in my opinion offers some of the most realistic and expressive AI voices on the market. Once there, I simply paste my script, the exact words I want my avatar to speak. I can then choose from a wide range of voices, adjusting parameters like stability and clarity to get the perfect tone and delivery. You can test your new voice with a few sentences to ensure it sounds just right. I'll hit generate and download my high-quality AI voiceover. This step is crucial for adding that professional audio layer to our visual content. Now, for the grand finale, lip syncing. We have our animated clips, which, by the way, should have no sound. Make sure to mute any audio from the animation step to avoid clashes. And our crisp, clear voiceover. The goal is to seamlessly merge these two elements so that our avatar's lips perfectly match the spoken words. This is where sync.so comes into play. It's an incredibly intuitive tool that makes this process a breeze. Sync eliminates the 8 seconds per video limit that Veo has. You can now reuse the same video over and over again. First, I'll create a new project in sync.so and give it a name. A window will then pop up, prompting me to add my files. I'll upload both my animated video clips and my newly generated 11 Labs audio file. Sync.so's intelligent algorithms will then analyze both the visual and auditory data, and with a single click, I'll hit sync. The magic happens almost instantly. What you get back is a cohesive, professional output where your consistent avatar speaks with perfect synchronization. This is the polished, engaging result you saw at the very start of this video. A truly consistent talking avatar, ready for prime time. Now, you might be wondering, can I achieve the same level of consistency with a human avatar? And the answer is a resounding yes. The workflow remains largely identical. You'll generate your human avatar in Flow, ensuring you create those initial consistent variations. Then you'll animate her in Veo, focusing on those subtle natural movements. And finally, you'll lip sync her voiceover in sync.so. Here's mine. As you can see, the consistency is just as striking, offering a different aesthetic for different channel needs. Sync.so generously offers free generations every month, which is fantastic for testing and smaller projects. This workflow isn't just about creating talking avatars. It's about creating consistent digital personalities that resonate with your audience and elevate your content. It's about building a brand, one perfectly synchronized word at a time. And that's it from me. You now have the blueprint to create consistent, engaging, talking avatars that will set your content apart. I'm genuinely excited to see what you create with this workflow. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow creator, and let me know in the comments below. What AI topic or tool would you love for me to cover next? Your feedback directly shapes the future of this channel. Now, don't go anywhere. If you're looking to take your AI video creation even further, you absolutely need to check out this video on the screen. It's packed with more cutting-edge insights you won't want to miss. I'll see you there.